Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2014 GMC Sierra half-ton SLT equipped with a Z71 off-road package. On the front end of the vehicle we have our LED daytime running lights, and under the hood sits a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower and 383 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped are 18-inch aluminum wheels, and heated power folding mirrors with integrated turn signals. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our easy lift and lower tailgate, as well as our trailer hitch receiver. This SLT has a towing capacity up to 9,600 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have a memory driver's seat, as well as our automatic four-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls. This Sierra is also equipped with heated power adjustable leather seats and WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. On the vehicle steering wheel, we have our cruise control buttons, as well as Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's backup camera and SiriusXM radio. Equipped for comfort are dual-zone climate controls. And on the vehicle's key fob, we have our remote start and entry buttons. And finally, moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our 60/40 split folding rear bench seat.